Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. A while ago I got a request from Jezebel, one of my loyal subscribers who is a big fan of the game Warhammer 40k Inquisitor, and she has sent me an image of artwork from the game with a request to redraw it in my own style. So let's have a look. Warhammer 40k Inquisitor Martyr is an action role-playing video game developed and published by Neocore Games for Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. It takes place in the setting for the wargaming franchise Warhammer 40,000 created by Games Workshop. The game takes place in the fictional universe of Warhammer 40,000. The player character is a member of the Inquisition, a secret police force tasked with fighting chaos worship and alien influence in the Imperium. The game takes place in the Caligari sector, which was created by Neocore Games specifically for the game. Jezebel only sent me this headshot but said she would like to see more of the character in my drawing. So I looked up quite a lot of Warhammer reference online to get a grasp of the Warhammer art style to create a costume for our character. A lot of the characters I found had big armors and guns. The designs had a lot of detail and that's just right up my alley. This one was a lot of fun to draw, so thank you Jezebel for your request. I hope you will like the outcome as well. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to get in with a softer lead to finish off these lines and to get in more details. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the final phase of the drawing process, and it's also my favorite part, so sing it boys! Thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope, Jezebel, you're happy with the drawing I made of your Warhammer character, and if you guys liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!